Hey, what's up my friends? In this video I want to show you how to get unlimited tokens in your Blooket accounts, guys. Please follow this video step by step. Now I open a new tab and here I search www.go-token-pro. As you can see, Go Token Pro. I press enter. As you can see, token events. Events offer 3000 tokens. Blooket username. Here you need to enter your Blooket username. As you can see, Albert. I press this button generate. Generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page. You can find your Blooket username here. As you can see, my Blooket username is Albert. It's Albert. And now I have 10 tokens in my Blooket accounts. Remember, you need to enter on this website, Go Token Pro. Now I wait to loading. As you can see, this is website status, recent activity. How does this event work? For complete one of partner survey, we grant at one time 3000 coins. This is people vote. You can vote in yes or no. This is rules. This is not safe to use. You don't have problem with ban. You never ask you to enter your account password. You don't have to download any extension tools. External tools, sorry. We sending resource. It's almost done. As you can see, 99 success. As you can see, Albert is connected. Resource is ready. Now transfer to user. As you can see, completing extract. It's almost done. We almost finished it. If you don't like a rule preview that you human, click the verify button below and follow the instruction. Don't scare it, just verify now. As you can see, human verification request. You need to press this button, verify survey. Complete the request below and Blooket token will be sent in your accounts. As you can see, you need to complete one of these survey to receive the reward and proof you are not a robot. I select first survey. As you can see, you need to follow this instruction. As you can see, follow the instruction, send the SMS to this number. Now I put the video on pause because I can send the SMS and record it at the same time, guys. But I will be back in 2 minutes. Good, guys, I send the SMS. Now you need to check, enter here on this tab. And as you can see, this is finished. It's done. Now you can close all tabs. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you won 3000 tokens. I press this button, climb. And now in my Blooket account, I have 3000 tokens and 10 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. Now it's for free. As you can see, I buy a package. Yes. As you can see, it's work. Just follow this video step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye bye, guys. See you in the next video.